Guys, today we're gonna eat airheads.
Airheads?
Naipaklog. Mayaw. Uy, nayabo. Okay lang. Hello.
Ayun, ka.
Ibot lang. Ayaw. Ibot lang kami. Hello guys. Hello.
Today, we're gonna eat candy.
Airheads.
Airheads.
Yeah,
now-
we eat airheads. I have naami ano juice. Me is violet. Sa kanya is orange. Mine is orange. It really tastes like orange. Oh my gosh, that's so bright. She speaks Filipino. Hello guys. Today it's 9:09. Look, mine.
Oh, how did you get that?
Eat some. The viewers are eating some. Can I have one? Dila. Dila.
Today,
Ayaw.
what eating?
Dila. Ayaw. Kaya niya. Ilang gabay ko kay nanay. Siya pala kasi umudo. Ewan siya. Ewan akong papa. Dili ako. Ewan akong papa. Daddy, what do you say? What do you say?
Ito?
Dili, uy! Ewan gali akong papa na. That's bread. Sige lang, nag-inom siya mong kuan. Juice. Okay, guys.
Oh, small.
Yeah. Just milk. Hello, guys. This is Keloy.
And what eating?
Airheads.
Airheads. And what guys eating airheads?